Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iMovie for green screen keying and stabilization. Quick tutorial step by step clearly.
Open iMovie on your Mac. Create a new project by clicking on the Create New button. Select the Movie option to start a new movie project. Import your video footage by clicking on the Import Media button. Choose the video file you want to use and click on Import selected. Now, drag your video clip to the timeline. To add your green screen footage, import it using the same process. Once imported, drag the green screen clip above your main video clip in the timeline. Select the green screen clip in the timeline. In the preview window, click on the Video Overlay Settings icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Green/Blue Screen. Your background should now be replaced with the main video behind the green screen footage. Next, to stabilize your footage, select the clip you want to stabilize in the timeline. Click on the Stabilization button in the toolbar above the viewer. Check the box for Stabilize Shaky Video. Adjust the strength of stabilization according to your preference. iMovie will analyze the clip, which may take some time depending on the length. Once stabilization is complete, play back your clip to preview the changes. If you're satisfied, continue editing your project as desired. Finally, save your project to ensure all changes are kept. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.